Hello dear students, welcome back to MS Excel class. In a previous class, we discussed from insert menu. In a insert menu, first class we discussed pivot table, how to insert pivot table and table. Okay, in next classes we discussed the illustrations group, how to insert picture, clip art, shapes and smart art. Next we discuss how to insert charts. That two different types of charts are there in Excel. How to insert those different charts into your worksheet. Okay, today we are discussing how to insert the hyperlink. It's a hyperlink is to create a link to a web page or a picture or an email address or any program. Okay, shortcut key for this hyperlink is Ctrl+K. This hyperlink option is used in MS Word also in a previous semester. Okay, just I'll insert hyperlink for one particular file here. Just wherever you want to give a link, keep the cursor pointer on that cell. Here, this is I3 is active cell now. Just click on Insert tab is active here. Click on hyperlink. Here, if I want to open the chart file from that link, here the files are displayed on the screen. Just I'll select chart 1. You can give link to existing file or any web page. If you want to open any web page, if your laptop is connected with the internet, you can open any web page and you can give their email address or you can give their website address. For that website address, you can give a link. Whenever you click on that website, automatically that web page will be opened. Okay, here I am giving link to existing file. That file chart 1 is in MES folder. So I will select that chart 1. Just I'll click on OK. Here it's displayed in a blue color, chart1.xlsx. Just click on this. If you click single click also, automatically that file will be opened. Okay, that file will be displayed here. This is chart file. Various pie charts are there that you can see here. Okay, if you want to work with this file, you can work. If you don't want, just close this cross mark. That will be closed. Like this, whichever file you want to refer, that you can link here. Just click on this and from insert, click hyperlink. The hyperlink dialog box will appear. From that, you can choose any file or any web page, okay, any email address, anything you can give here. Place in this document is there. Create new document also, you can give link for that email address also. Okay, that you can link here. Okay, just I'll give here remove link. That only that words are displayed, link is not there. Okay, it's not highlighted in blue color. Okay, now if I click, it won't go to that link. Okay, like this you can insert hyperlink or you can remove the link from this insert menus hyperlink option. That is in links group. Okay, next we are discussing text group. Okay, this similar options you have studied in MS Word. Text box is there. It is very simple one. Just you are inserting one text box to your worksheet. Click on that text box. The mouse pointer will change here. Just drag and drop. Okay, text box will be inserted. You can give any text over here. You can type any text information. Just I'll type MES college. Okay, I'm typing some information here. Just MES college. Okay, like this you can insert a text box and you can increase the size of a font, everything you can do. Okay, it is simple one, just inserting a text box. If you want any text box to insert into your worksheet, you can insert through insert text box and you can align the text, everything, whatever changes you want, you can do the changes here. You can change the color of the font. Okay, you can set color of the font, everything you can make changes. If you don't want, select and delete. Okay, that also you can do here. Okay, it is insertion of a text box. Okay, next is insert header and footer. Header and footer already we discussed, we studied in MS Word, same options, but here header will be given for worksheet. If you place header, header will be given top of the page, footer will be given bottom of the page. It's a worksheet is having more number of columns and rows. It will be divided into pages while taking a printouts. So header, whatever you will insert, that will be inserted to each page. Okay, just click on header and footer. Okay, automatically see here, you can see the differences here. The sheet will be divided into different pages. Okay, this is first page. Here already the header and footer toolbar is displayed on the screen. You can see here header and footer tools, design. Okay, this is header and footer toolbar. You can insert here, always for a header and footer we will insert page numbers, number of pages you can insert, current date you can insert, current time, file path where the file is stored, that path you can give, file name you can give in a header, and you can give a sheet name. If you change the sheet name, you can give a sheet name. You can insert any company logo. You can add a picture to header. Okay, you can insert these options, these elements to your header as well as footer. Just remind this, page number you can insert number of pages, current date, current time, file path, file name as well as sheet name, and picture, logo of a company you can insert. And you can create different first page. Only for first page it has to come like this header, and different odd and even pages it has to come header and footer different. That also you can activate by these options. Unique header for first page, and different odd pages header, different even pages header as well as footer, that you can set here from these options. Just I am inserting one header over here. I'll insert page number. Okay, and I wanted to insert, I'll give space here. I wanted to insert the file name. Okay, just I have inserted two elements here, and go to footer. Again I wanted to go to footer. Just click on go to footer there. Okay, it's moved to footer. Here go to footer option is there in a design toolbar only. Click on that. Automatically the cursor will be moving to footer. Here I am inserting the current date of the file. Okay, that's it. I am inserting the page number, file name, okay, and current date. Just okay, you close this one, you go to insert. Okay, that will be inserted to your document. See here, page number 1, the file name will be explanation. Okay, explanation 4th sem BCom. Okay, and for footer it has taken date. Okay, it's in the format of first, month, date, year. Okay, in that format it is inserted, no problem. You can insert whatever you want. Okay, for a header and footer we are inserting page number, file name, path of the file, company logo. Okay, anything you can insert there, whichever data you want to insert you can insert. So here automatically worksheet will be divided into pages, like page 1, page 2. Okay, you can move here, page 3 also. For all pages same header and footer it has taken. Okay, like this you can insert header and footer from the header and footer option. Okay, this one we discussed in a previous word syllabus only. Similar way, here the header and footer will be given for the particular worksheet. Whole worksheet will be divided into pages. Whatever data you are having, for every data, it will be taken as header and footer. Okay. Next one is insert word art. Here word art is a artistic or decorative text you can insert into your worksheet. This also you tried. Whichever text you want, you can insert there. I'll select this one. Just I'm inserting information here. Like I wanted to insert okay, I'm inserting the text here. So we have inserted header and footer, so it has taken header and footer has taken as a different pages. Just I'll remove this one. You can delete the header and footer. Okay, just I'll open 1 minute. Okay, here word art. Okay, I'll insert this text here. Okay, this one already you have done. Here also similar options are there. Automatically the drawing tools format toolbar will be displayed on the screen. You can make changes over here. Whichever style you want, you can change here. Okay, that will be that will be applied to your word art. Okay, and shape effects also you can give here. Sort edges. Okay, this one we tried. The 3D effect you can set. See that changes. Okay, whatever changes you want, you can set. If you want the similar text for your worksheet, you can apply that one in a 3D effect. Glow you can do here. With everything you can make a changes over here. You can edit the shape also. Okay, you can edit. You can try different shapes also for this. Change the shape. Okay, different shape fill you can do here. Different color you can fill. Different shape outline you can change. Shape effects you can change, and you can select from this also different options. Okay, this and all you can set for your worksheet using this insert word art. And here signature line is there. This is to insert a digital signature to your worksheet. It's there in Word also. If you are connected with the internet, then Microsoft will provide you to insert a digital signature to your document. Okay, that will be the digital signature, what you want to insert to your worksheet. That will be connected with the Microsoft Excel. Then the signature line dialog box will appear. In that you have to put your signature, name and a signature that will be inserted to your document. Okay, but here it will not take for a signature, but that you can do through the, if you are connected with that, and if you are having the ID with the MS Excel. Okay, it's the version should be by the MS Excel. Then you can certified Microsoft product if you have, means you can insert the signature, digital signature to your worksheet. Next one is insert object here. Object is an embedded object. You can insert the PowerPoint file, you can insert MS Word, you can insert PDF file, anything to your Excel file, Excel worksheet, that you can insert through this insert object option, and you can place it as an icon whenever you want to open or work with that file, or you want to see that file. Just you can click on that object, it opens file for you. Just click on here, insert object. The object dialog box will be displayed on the screen. In that you can select create new. You can create a new embedded object from using these all softwares. Okay, you can create Acrobat Reader, Acrobat document, you can create bitmap, the paint file, you can use the chart, PowerPoint files. Okay, you can create Word file, anything you can do. Okay, from create new option. But create from file means already if you have created a file, just you can select and you can place on the screen, okay, through the insert option. I am using this create from file option to insert already created files. Just I want to show the PowerPoint presentation from this Excel worksheet. For that I can click on browse. Okay, just you have to select create from file and you have to select the browse option. After that you select where is your file is saved, that folder. Okay, it's my file is in D colon, I'll select that. In that I'll select C1 MS Excel. Just I'll select C1 MS Excel and I'll click on insert. And I'll click on display as icon option. Okay, just I'll say okay. You can change the icon also here. Just click on change icon. If you want to change any different icon, you can place. Okay, I want to change this one only, or you can select this, or you can select this. Any icon you can change, or you can change the name of this and let it be the same name, or you can change as a PowerPoint Excel like that. Okay, you can change here, let it be same one only. Okay, just say okay. I have changed the icon here, and caption you can change. Okay, just say okay and here okay. Okay, that icon will be inserted. See here, you can move this icon. Just I'll double click on that. It opens the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, that PowerPoint presentation displayed on the screen. Okay, like this you can insert particular object. Now I have inserted PowerPoint file through this object option. Like that only you can insert. Okay, create from file I'll select browse. Okay, I'll insert some image. Okay, just I'll select Excel initial screen. Just you can insert. Just to say display as icon. Okay, just say okay. Okay, if you double click on that, it opens, yes, that GIF file for you. Okay, which file you want to open, photos, just say okay. Okay, that image will be displayed on the screen. Okay, if you want to explain anything in this picture, like you can insert that picture through the insert object. Okay, similar way you can insert PDF file also. Okay, anything you can insert. Here you can insert bitmap picture also. Just I'll click on object. I'll create bitmap image. Create new. From create new, I wanted to insert some bitmap image. Just I'll say okay. Here you can insert a bitmap image. Okay, I want to fill color. Okay, I'll see some just simple picture it is. Just want to fill with a different color outside. Just you see, okay. Close this window, automatically that file will be inserted. Okay, this is create from file. Like this, you can create your Word file, you can create PowerPoint file, new files also you can create, or you can browse and you can insert existed file also through this object option. Okay, is that clear? If you have any doubts, you can send a query. Okay, then insert symbol or a character. It's also there. Same options you tried in Word also. Okay, like this symbols you can insert to your MS Excel sheets. These symbols are not there in your keyboard. So if you want to insert these symbols for any calculation purpose, you can insert these symbols. Okay, like these symbols you don't have. Okay, just if you click on that, it will be inserted. Pi, ohms, alpha, okay, summation, okay, like this you can insert. Not equal to, with divided by, with different you can change here. You can, if you change the font, automatically here also everything will be changing. Okay, if you select different fonts, the symbols also will be changing. Okay, here also the changes. Special characters, these are the special characters are there. These also you can insert. Or symbols, if you want to insert, you can insert. Okay, here also some phone symbols are there. Okay, pen symbols are there. Okay, and some phone symbol if you want to insert. If you want to insert Caesar symbol, CD symbol, like this you can insert. Okay, it will be inserted as a particular text. So like this symbol you can insert to your Excel. Okay, like this you can insert symbols to a worksheet also. Okay, this completes your insert menu. Okay, in a previous classes we discussed table group. In that pivot table and table, illustration group, different illustrations, picture, clip art, shape, smart art, and we inserted different charts over here. And today we discussed how to view hyperlink for any document. Then in a text group we discussed text boxes, header and footer, word art, object, symbol, and signature line is also there. That will be given by inserting a digital signature to your, if you have the digital ID, you can insert the digital signature to your document or a worksheet. Okay, okay, this completes your insert tab of your MS Excel. In this insert tab, it's very important is charts. You are getting a questions based on charts, and 2-mark questions you are getting like what is hyperlink, what is pivot table. Okay, like this 2 marks questions you are getting, and how to insert pivot table, and how to insert chart, that and all you are getting for 5 marks. Okay, and for 15 marks you may get like this question, like draw insert tab and explain all the groups. Okay, like this questions also you are getting for 15 marks, and for 15 marks you may get like this, explain all charts, okay, with a diagram and explain how to insert chart to a MS Excel worksheet with a data table. Okay, you may get like this question also for a 15 marks. Okay, and watch the all recorded classes regularly. Okay, in the next class, again the next group will be explained. If you have any doubts regarding MS Excel, please you can send the questions, and whatever the PDFs we are sending in a group, you have done a notes, write all the PDFs. Okay, and listen carefully the all recorded classes. Okay, have a nice time. Next class we are discussing with a different group. Thank you.